If OneDrive is slowing things down, constantly syncing when you do not want it to, or you just need a quick break from cloud syncing, this video will show you exactly how to quit and stop syncing in OneDrive. I'll walk you through the fastest way to pause syncing for a short time, and then how to completely quit OneDrive so it stops running on your PC. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, look at the taskbar on your Windows computer and find the Microsoft OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually down near the bottom right corner of your screen, close to the clock and system tray. If you do not see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, because OneDrive may be tucked away there. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it once to open the OneDrive panel. This panel gives you quick access to syncing status, storage info, and settings. Now look for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Pause Syncing. When you click Pause Syncing, OneDrive will give you a few time options. You can pause for 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Pick the one that works best for you. This is the easiest option if you only want to stop syncing temporarily, like when you are working on files and do not want OneDrive updating them right away. If you only need a short break, pausing syncing is usually the safest choice because you can turn it back on later without changing anything else. But if you want OneDrive to stop completely, there's one more step. To completely stop OneDrive, click the gear icon again from the OneDrive panel. This time, look for Quit OneDrive. Click Quit OneDrive, and if Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the action. Once you do that, OneDrive will close and stop syncing on your PC. This is the option you want if you do not want OneDrive running in the background at all. It's helpful if you are troubleshooting, saving battery, reducing background activity, or simply taking a break from cloud syncing. Keep in mind that quitting OneDrive does not delete your files. It just stops the app from syncing until you open it again. If you ever want to start syncing again later, you can reopen OneDrive from the Start menu or System tray, and it will begin working normally again. So whether you just want to pause it for a few hours or completely quit it for now, you now know both methods. If this video saved you time, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.